and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, this channel is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs, and makeup tutorials. And if that's your thing, please join the family and hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, oh my gosh, thank you so much for coming back. And I know it's been a while, I'm sorry, I've just been busy. I'm planning on doing a life update video. We'll see how the day goes. In today's video, we are going to make a simple and elegant hairstyle using braiding hair. I thought I had two black, but I'm just going to mix this two. This one is a hair 99J from Hair Nova. I think this is like 6 rand something. And this is Darling. It's like 13-14 rand at Pep. It's in color 1, which is the blackest black you'll get. And I'm just gonna mix these two. We're going to need hairpins, I think about maybe 15 of them, and styling gel. And I'm using Eco Styler, but it is running out, so I'm going to use Dark and Lovely. I feel the Eco Styler has more hold than the Dark and Lovely, so I'm going to use this mainly in the back, and I like how this hold in the front and on the sides. And for my edges, I'm going to use, I've fallen in love with this one. The downside is it flakes pretty quickly, so I am very careful when I use it. So it's Revlon Extreme Hold Standing Gel, but it holds really, like, it holds better than the other two, but it flakes the most out of the three. And yeah, so normally I'm gonna need a brush and a comb to do the parting. And what should I do first? Let me mix this. Let me just mention, I'm noticing that in terms of the volume, definitely the Hair Nova has more hair in the pack than Darling. I can already see how this maroonish purplish color is swallowing very easily the black. So yeah, you get more hair in the Hair Nova as compared to the Darling. For my hair, I had just washed it today, and what I do, I just tie it into braids. Normally I do 4 sections, but today I did 3, and this was the section, and there's a section here at the back. So what I'm gonna start with is I'm going to apply styling gel to the section at the back. And like I said earlier, I'm going to use the Dark and Lovely styling gel. It said for the 8-hour gel confined. That actually makes sense. I don't think 48 hours is enough for a protective hairstyle. It means you'd have to reapply, every 48 hours, and that ain't cool. Normally protective styles, the less the hair manipulation, the better at achieving what you intended to with protective styling, which is normally to retain length. If the hair is going to need your attention over short periods of time, then it defeats the whole purpose, in my opinion. And yeah, so okay, so I have sectioned out. So after mixing the two like this, I've sectioned this out, and I'm going to start with this piece. I'll explain later when I get to that piece, but let us start off with applying styling gel here at the back. So like I said, I have this section here at the back, and I'm going to leave this in a braid of my real hair like this, and I'm going to apply the Dark and Lovely styling gel around this section like this. One thing I will give to Dark and Lovely is that it smells amazing. Now that is done, I'm going to section off the rest of the hair. Ooh, guys, I forgot an intricate part because I just washed my hair. Normally what I do, I moisturize just a little bit, and I use this Cable oil moisturizer. Guys, I've been trying to collaborate with Cable, but I seem to not. I'm struggling to get their marketing team's contact details for me to pitch my partnership proposal. But anyway, all in good time. And yeah, I make sure I focus on the ends because they are prone to breakage. Oopsie. And yeah, the back section, I'm not gonna do it because I've already applied styling gel. So let me just apply this on the part in the middle as well. Again, I'm gonna go in with oil moisturizer first before applying styling gel on the pot. Going to tie this hair. Right, I'm not sure if you saw that. So what I'm gonna do before applying styling gel, I'm just confirming that the hair is laying down in the direction I want. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm joining it with this pony, and I'm going to have it tied up with this South Africans, I grew up calling it a ribbon, but it's a, Americans, I do have an American audience, they call it a hair tie. So I'm gonna use one of those words interchangeably and you will know what I mean. All right, so now I'm applying the styling gel. I probably should apply this Eco Styler because my hair is gonna show. This is the part that will be exposed, is what I mean. So I'm going in with my Eco Styler on top of the Dark and Lovely that I already placed. But yeah, I'm just making sure that it's slicked down to the T. And the white part, it dries out with time, so yeah. So I'm just tying this together. So here I am going to, where's my comb? I'm going to section off this part over here. I have to section it thicker. So what I was doing here, I'm going to start off a braid here. So I'm testing if it's this section is the same size as one of three like this, and this part is definitely thinner, so I have to add more of my hair to make it as equal as possible, if that makes sense. So then I'm going to just make sure this part is sectioned off. I'm going to do a young braid. And the same way, I'm making sure that the hair is going the direction I want it to go, and this side, this part will be covered off. So I'm going back with my Dark and Lovely styling gel. I'm not gonna use a hair tie this time because I only have 4, and then with this last section I am going to again brush in this direction. And then I'm going in with my Eco Styler. Go in with the brush. Then tie it all up into one big or small pony with your hair. So now I take this section of hair I have loosened it, and I'm going to go in with the hairpins now, and I'm just going to do it from the inside, and I make sure that it touches, I can feel it touching my hair, that way I know it's secure enough. And I'm just going to go around making sure it is tightened up. I'm going to fix this one in the middle of the braid. Attach the bobby pin and I make sure it touches, I can feel it touching my scalp. Sorry guys, I had to go to a bigger mirror. My cousin sent me this trick. Let's see, let's cut this. So they say what you do, right, is apply styling gel. Apply styling gel to this and a little bit over here. Oopsie. It's falling away. I think it was glue, guys. I'm doing my edges now. Yeah, so this is the final look, guys. Like, and I think as time goes on, I can just somewhat make a bun like this. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am in love. Like, I love this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I always have fun when I do these videos, and I hope you're having as much fun as I am. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I love you guys so much, and until next time, goodbye.